The next question is, why should I completely change systems when it seems easier to just move to an alternative model of our current system? Making a change requires time and effort. Instead of thinking of this change as a problem, you should really be thinking of this as an opportunity for process improvement. If you were using a wet system, now you can consider options to upgrade to terminal sterilization. Moisture acts as a magnet to attract contaminants. This presents a patient safety issue. That is why I recommend always striving for a wrapped package system. Also, from an efficiency standpoint, with a device processed in a wet system, if a case is canceled or there is another reason to not use the device, you have to process the equipment again because you can't maintain its sterility. If the device is not used immediately, it must be completely reprocessed, thereby incurring additional time and processing costs. With terminal sterilization, if the device is not used immediately, you can use it at a later point because it is wrapped.
This is Barbara again, and I'm going to answer the next question, which is, what types and brands of scopes can be sterilized in the STERIS NX system? Some of the categories of devices that can be used in the STERIS NX include flexible endoscopes, rigid telescopes, minimally invasive cameras, ultrasound transducers and probes, orthopedic powered drills and accessories, rechargeable batteries for powered instruments, autoclavable as well as non-autoclavable cameras used in minimally invasive surgery and arthroscopic procedures, defibrillators, laryngoscopes, and blades. Many leading device manufacturers endorse the use of STERIS System technology for their devices. Additional manufacturers may be working to add STERIS to the device IFU. Karl Storz, Richard Wolf, and Gyrus ACMI have all announced certain flexible endoscopes can be processed in the STERIS NX system. Consult the STERIS Sterility Guide or check with your endoscope manufacturer directly for the use of specific devices with the STERIS technology. Additionally, remember that the FDA has given medical device manufacturers only 12 months until February 2011 to remove the SS1 from their instructions for use. Medical device manufacturers are actively working now in order to begin this process, which means that you may start seeing some changes in instructions for use as early as this summer. It is important for you to maintain contact with the medical device manufacturer to assure that you receive the latest changes in their instructions for use. We recommend that you speak to the manufacturer before replacing sterilization equipment.
Hi, this is John Sahid, and I'll be answering the next question. What options are available to process endoscopes in the STERIS NX System Advanced Cycle? For processing endoscopes in the STERIS NX Advanced Cycle, several packaging solutions exist. One option is Aesculap Sterile Container S. Another option is using the Aptimax instrument trays, the first of their kind to offer optimal protection for medical devices. Aptimax trays are compatible with the most common sterilization technologies, including not only STERIS systems, but also pre-vacuum steam and ethylene oxide. The trays can accommodate a variety of sizes to meet all instrument needs and are made of high-quality materials to help protect instruments during sterilization. The trays are also easy to use, designed for easy stacking and storage, and are lightweight for easy handling. Another option is using the ASP SteriTite sealed container system, which provides an efficient and cost-effective way to package and protect surgical instruments for sterilization, transportation, storage, and aseptic presentation of contents. The container system protects valuable instrumentation, reducing loss and damage, and is constructed durably, fully anodized and heat-treated to prevent corrosion. The ASP SteriTite sealed container system also eliminates the need to wrap devices, saving time and increasing productivity, and is easy to disassemble and stack for convenient cleaning and storage.
Hi, this is Nancy, and the next question is, how can I put an effective transition plan in place? Healthcare facilities should be looking to the sterile processing department to help lead the effort to transition. The sterile processing manager needs to have a proactive stance on understanding the issue and having access to the correct information on the SS1 transition, which is available on the FDA website, and to serve as a resource within your facility. The first thing you need to do is get the right people in the room. There are a number of departments that need to be coordinated on this transition. You need representation from infection prevention, risk management, quality improvement, OR, and sterile processing. When you have the right people in the room, you can discuss the options available. Don't underestimate the value of the sterile processing department. The surgeons depend on us. I'd like you to hear from Dr. Dowling again.
We also depend on the people upstairs, the people we don't see in the process of conducting our surgeries. As a surgeon, we have a somewhat focused role. I mean, what we need to do is to make sure that we're as precise as possible in where we place our incisions, that we are quick enough so that we don't expose these areas that normally aren't exposed to the outside environment for long periods of time, that we're attentive to the cleansing and how we deal with the other structures that we have to deal with, and how attentive we are to the control of the bleeding. So there are certainly technical parts, but the interdependence of the people that have to provide the ability to sharpen, clean, sterilize these instruments, and their attentiveness to the quality process that involves so many people, that I think that probably plays as much of a role in the success of an operation, if not more, than what I do as a surgeon at any particular time, especially when it comes to preventing the complications such as infection that are so devastating to the outcome.
And another question we received is, what is the difference between sterilization and high-level disinfection? With sterilization, all microorganisms are killed, including bacterial spores, which are the most difficult to kill. With high-level disinfection, all vegetative organisms are destroyed, including high numbers of bacterial spores, but not necessarily all spores. And with low-level disinfection, most bacteria, some fungi and viruses are killed, but not spores or Mycobacterium tuberculosis. The FDA and associations such as AORN and APIC define a sterilized device as one that has been processed in a system that delivers a sterility assurance level of 10 to the minus 6, which is a 1 in a million chance of a non-sterile occurrence.
Hi, this is John, and I'll be answering the next question. Can ASP accommodate all of my facility's instrument reprocessing needs? ASP offers a number of products and services to meet your needs. Two popular product options are the STERIS system for terminal sterilization and the Evotec endoscope cleaner and reprocessor, which provides high-level disinfection and automated endoscope cleaning and reprocessing. In addition, to ensure you can swiftly move to alternative solutions, we have ramped up our supply, and we continue to ramp up our production and hope to even further accelerate the delivery timelines. Additionally, we've increased our service and education staff and have developed new resources to aid you in your transition, many of which can be located on a newly developed website at www.aspjj.com/alternatives.